It's your boy JB, aka the King of Soul, and today we got some Air Maxes to look at. The Air Max 197, and this is the Sean Wotherspoon colorway. Before we get into the review, do me a favor, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. If you dig the content, also hit that share button. These videos that we do on this channel are strictly for review purposes, so if you do happen to have any questions or comments, definitely feel free to drop those down below. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the review. So this sneaker does come in this all red box here. Now smack dead up top, you do have the Nike brand in here with the swoosh, and it does have a design here that is supposed to be reminiscent to the actual sneaker itself because of the corduroy material. So you do have like hits of green, purple, blue, and so forth. But if you do a 360 around the box, you will notice more of their Nike brand in there. The bottom portion of the box doesn't really have anything too special. It is just all red here, and it does have some Nike branding and copyright information over here in white. Other than that, nothing too special there to notate, but for those that do care about that, there you go. Now the box label on the sneaker does read Air Max 197 VF SW. The colorway says a light blue fury and then lemon wash. Now when you do open the box, and it is a swing box lid situation, now up underneath you do have like, you know, this hit of white, and then you do have this more air text here, and of course it does have like, you know, this little paragraph here. Now when you do go closer to the sneaker, you are met with this white wax tissue paper here, and it does have like, you know, some Nike brand in here in black. Moving beyond that, the sneaker itself, it didn't come double wrapped or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the sneaker. Now this sneaker right here, it does kind of have like, you know, that standard Air Max build. Now one thing that they did a little bit different on this one here with the collaboration with this Sean Wotherspoon one, it actually they did swap out like, you know, some materials, of course. Now the upper portion, it does kind of have like this kind of like, you know, hit of this corduroy material throughout the entire upper. And then another thing they actually did was like, you know, swap out the branding on the tongue and things like that too. And then it actually, yeah man, like it got a couple different hits on this one, because it does have like the exposed foam here around the sock liner of the sneaker. Outside of that, man, like pretty dope sneaker, man. Definitely glad to spin back and get this one in the collection, because this was released a few years back. But we're not going to take too long on this one. Definitely glad to get this one in the collection. And again, this is the Air Max 197, and this is that Sean Wotherspoon colorway. So we're going to take a look at the right sneaker like we always do. Now for first observation, the sneaker does look like what you would expect from like any other Air Max 1. On the lateral side of the sneaker, of course, like I mentioned, you do have the hits of the corduroy material coming down from like, you know, the lace loops here. You do have the hit of yellow, gray, pink, blue, purple, and then you do have like this kind of like hunter green color here. Going toward the front toe box area, you do have that hit of that blue stitched in Nike swoosh there. The mid portion of the sneaker has like another Nike swoosh there. Over on this side, it does have the hit of yellow. The outsole of the sneaker, or the midsole, it actually does have like this hit of like, you know, this cream kind of off-white color here. And then you can see the hits of like, you know, the blue, gray, and the pink showing up underneath. You do have your air bubble there going towards the back, and then inside you can actually see that hit of orange there. For the most part, that's pretty much it on this side of the sneaker. Now switching gears, going to the front toe box area of the sneaker, now you are met with more of that corduroy material. They did go ahead and give us this kind of like, you know, hit of green here for the mud guard, and the stitching is like, you know, consistent with the color here on this corduroy panel. And then going towards like, you know, the upper portion of the toe box, of course you do have your hits of purple, blue, pink, and gray. The tongue of the sneaker has like, you know, the hit of that yellow corduroy. Now the sneaker itself, it did come pre-laced, and they did give us these kind of like, you know, yellow laces here. Now going towards like the lace tips, you do have that hit of silver and gold on this one here. The tongue of the sneaker, you will find more of that corduroy material, but if you look closely, it does have that blue Nike branding stitched in there. The back of the tongue, you do have the hit of like, this hit of like, off-white. And this kind of does remind me of like, some exposed foam, but looking at it, it is just like, some mesh material on the inside of the sneaker. I'm going to pull it out. The insole there does have the hit of blue. Now going towards the medial side of the sneaker, pretty consistent with the other side here. Of course, you have more of that corduroy material, and then over on this side, you do have your stitched in Nike swoosh. Outside of that, you do have your cutout there for the air bubble, and that's pretty much it. Now switching gears, going to the rear, you do have like this gray pull tab, but definitely going towards the bottom of the sneaker, you do have like, this Air Max standard traction here. Up top, you do have the hit of the yellow and blue. Going towards the heel, you have the hit of red. Smack dead center, you have the hit of gray, and you do have some Nike brand in there as well. And that's pretty much on this one. Now the left sneaker, pretty much consistent with the right. Everything on this one is the same. They did switch up the tongue over on this one to kind of give us like, this blue wave here. Now inside the sneaker, they did give us a few lace options. Let me go through those for you. All lace bags, they do have like, the Nike branding on the front, but you have like a white lace, a purple, and then blue. Each option would go pretty well, like, with the sneaker, but for me, I'm gonna stick with like, the default laces. In my opinion, like, they're the strongest. And that's pretty much it on this one. If I were to rate this sneaker, I would give it like a solid, let me go ahead and give this one a solid 7 out of 10. And it's not that I don't like the sneaker, it's just a few things. I'm not really a fan of the corduroy material. I get people are like, hype beast and all over, but this is not like something that you could wear every day for sure. I mean, you can match it pretty decent with like, some polos and a couple other like, as long as you do like, some decent color combos with your outfit, you should be able to get this one off. But I'm just not really a fan of like the material that they used up top. And then also when it comes to like this pair, now these Air Maxes, I'm not sure if it's just because of the material, but at the end of the day, I do feel like it is like, slightly underscale. It doesn't fit like most Nike Air Maxes. They're still like, we still good to go on these. Like we'll definitely still put them on feet. But if you are asking or wondering about like, comfort and size, and it does fit just like any other, Air Max 1. But at the end of the day, it is slightly underscaled. And again, I do believe it's because of the material. So if you're going to get you a pair of these, I definitely recommend going up maybe like a half size or one full size on this one, because it is pretty like, snug to the fit on this one. And that's pretty much it. But I definitely want to take a moment to shout out the vendor who actually get the sneaker to review on the channel for you guys. And I do encourage you to stay engaged like always, because I can be reached on all social media platforms. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, even here on YouTube. Everything is at the King of Soul. But before we go, I'm going to hit you guys with a 360 in the B-roll like I always do. But there you go. Air Max 197. And again, this is that Sean Wotherspoon colorway. So there's the front of the sneaker. Lateral side of the right. Lateral side of the left. There's your bottom. There's the medial side. And then there's the rear. And I thank you guys for taking the time to tune in like always. But until next time, see you later.